Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap East Palo Alto, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure that your long-distance move occurs in a timely manner, free from stress. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make your moving so much easier. Using our team provides you easy access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be the very easy to reconcile the price of choosing a California moving company. A better look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company can help you rationalize why it's a wise decision. You gain the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't have to handle any of the heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you get a very efficient move from beginning to end. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Even if your move is big enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Palo Alto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.